YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Sledgexl. You already knows my channel, Sledgexl. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, if you have stuck with me from day one up until now, you are the real MVP. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all the comments that you leave on the page. I hear everything that you say and I read every one of them. I do really appreciate the support and love. But you didn't come here to hear me talk about you. You came to hear me talk about shoes. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this. You already saw from the title, I've got Jordan and some ADIDAS. This is a big box. Yeah, I'm just gonna take them, put them on the table first. Alright, where's the receipt? There you go. Okay. So this was shipped from Chic, whatever you call it. Cover my address real quick, Chic. So Jordan was on sale. I got it for $79, and then the ADIDAS I got it for $47.99. That's insane. $80 and $48. So both of them totaling a little bit shy of $128. Yeah. 80 plus. Yeah. Wow. Damn. Anyways, let's jump into the first one. I have always wanted an all-white ADIDAS Superstar. I think I have about 5 different colorways. I have the one with the black stripes, and then I have blue, I have red, I have yellow. So this is the newest addition to the family. It's nothing different, it's just your regular old ADIDAS Superstar. I just feel like having an all-white Superstar with the shell toe, you know, in the collection is gonna be really cool. And thankfully I had I saw this deal going on at Chic and I jumped on it right away. They had, I think, 30% off plus another sale going on, so it ended up coming to $47.99, which is $48, which is great deal for this one. Usually they run at $80, they sell at $80. So alright, let's put this aside and jump into the, as you can see, the Jordan 1 box. It came out last year, somewhere mid last year, around the summertime when they released a lot of Jordan 1s. I didn't cop it back then, and like I said, I only cop it because it was on sale from Chic. So you've already seen this, the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal, is that what you call it? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, Jordan 1 Retro. It doesn't say, but all it says is, yeah, Hyper Royal and sale. Alright, so the only sale about this shoe is the midsole. The midsole is kind of like lightly sale. It's very close to the white swoosh. If you were far away, you couldn't tell the difference, you know. Even I don't think the camera can do justice to it, but that is the whole rationale behind the colorway of the shoe. Decent shoe, two-tone. The bottoms are also Hyper Royal. They throw in extra white lacing. I think this combination will look great with the white lacing. You know what I mean? The blue kind of like makes it too dim, you know, too kind of dim. But if you express the white lacing on this, it will make the midsole pop a little bit, thereby making it look decent. But yeah, this is just your regular Jordan 1s. Stay tuned for the on-feet action. Go check out some of my other videos if you haven't done so already. Click, subscribe, leave a comment, all the above. Until I see you next, Peace out.
Hey, Pete Bowler. I know for a second, y'all ain't think I was playing with y'all. This somebody else, I'm not the one. But if that's what you want, then that's what you gon' get. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. We can make some guap if you want. Right now I'm swooping stupid Buddha. You should roll up a pack. There ain't no woods, you stupid loser. Who would roll up in that? Though I was foreign, I was starving, I would roll up and laugh. Now I'm just charming like I'm charming. Now I roll up and rap. I style a wiggle, that's the wiggle, and I blow it, you know. I keep some Play-Doh, call it bagels, cause it's over, you know. Finna get ugly, it's getting ugly, just retire, you got. You niggas bug me, I'ma fire you, fly. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. We can make some guap. Bitch, feel you knew the rules. Falling out new to you. I come from the pitch, my niggas fish out some poodle dudes. Whip like some flying by. Bitch, I'm like cyanide. They running out of talent, so they signing and signing out. A pint of the finest, sip up. Please mind my hiccups. To try and remind them kids of the crimes in the time of Hitler. I'm high, man, it's very potent. My eyes, they could barely open. I'm high, man, it's very potent. My eyes, they could barely open. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. We can make some guap if you want. Hey, Pete Bowler. I know for a second, y'all ain't think I was playing with y'all. This somebody else, I'm not the one. But if that's what you want, then that's what you gon' get. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. We can make some guap if you want. Right now I'm swooping stupid Buddha. You should roll up a pack. There ain't no woods, you stupid loser. Who would roll up in that? Though I was foreign, I was starving, I would roll up and laugh. Now I'm just charming like I'm Charmin, now I roll up and rap. I style a wiggle, that's the wiggle, and I blow it, you know. I keep some Play-Doh